In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Traders Casa. So the first thing I must say is that if you're looking for a backtesting tutorial with Traders Casa, I have separate tutorials on that on my channel, so go watch that. This is just kind of a walkthrough of how the platform looks and how to actually navigate this dashboard over here, okay? So again, if you want to backtest, go watch that tutorial. I do have it on my channel. It's called How to Backtest on Traders Casa. Now over here inside your dashboard, first you have the dashboard button, and then here you can see a bunch of different things. You can follow them on different platforms here to stay updated. You can see your best returns here, your win rates, and then here you basically can see how many trades and how many times you have backtested as kind of your calendar over here, okay? Now you also have the analytics tab, and inside analytics here I just have some sample data because I don't actually have any data inside my account that I used to actually backtest, so I'm going to show you using this sample data, but you'll be able to always see your account balance, your P&Ls, your win rates, and then your average profit slash loss over here. You can scroll down and you can see all the overviews, you can see your sample data, you can see pretty much anything you could want to see here. You can see your calendars, your simulations, anything you want to do, you can go ahead and view it over here and see your performance over time, okay? So that's actually very, very convenient, and yeah, that's what this analytics tab here does. You have the reports tab, and inside reports tab, again, this is just my sample data here, but you can go ahead and see kind of your reports for the time, for day, for month, symbol, and for tags here. So of course you can do whatever you want with that. You could go ahead and maybe like go ahead and do some further analysis if you wanna. You can just go ahead and check it if you want to, so it's completely up to you. Here you have these trades, so in case you have any open trades, which currently I do not, you'll be able to see them over here. Then you have the backtesting button, which is basically where main backtesting happens. You can create your sessions over here. Again, go watch my other tutorial in case you are interested in how to actually backtest. And then here you also have the notebook where you can basically go ahead and add in folders. You can go ahead and put on strategy notes. You can put the trade reviews. You can create new notes in here to basically go ahead and type in something that you may want to look at a bit later. So it's just kind of like your notebook, your note keeper, where you can keep all your important information and then filter them at the top right over here. Now, of course, it also says switch to live over here. So if at any point you actually want to get one of their paid plans, you'll be able to go ahead and do that as well. And then in here, you will get a bit more of these, let's say just like functions over here. So as you can see, there's some sample data over here. Again, you can see your dashboards, your daily journals, you can see the reports, the trades, and stuff like that. Again, this is with sample data over here, and most of these things will require you to actually upgrade to Pro, so you'll be able to use them. And you can also start adding trades in here. You can import them. You could go ahead and, as you can see here, add them manually. So it's kind of like a trading journal over here. But again, most of these things will require you to actually have a paid plan for convenience. Okay, so we have kind of two options. The first one is the backtest, and the second one is this live one over here, which does have, as I said, some free features, but also does have some paid features as well. And you can get these by basically, if I go to switch to backtest over here, there's buttons pretty much everywhere prompting you to actually get the premium version if you want to. Okay, now you also have the settings down here at the bottom, and inside the settings you can go ahead and change different themes, time zones, etc. So there's a bunch of things you can change. You can log out, and up here top right you can basically quickly change your theme to whatever you want, so from light to dark mode if you wanna. And then here again you can view the plans. You can go ahead and go pro, you can go basic, or just continue with free. So it's completely up to you whichever one you want to do here. But of course, if you want the enhanced features and more of them, then you want to go for one of their paid plans because they do offer more features than the free version. So yeah, that's pretty much how to use it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.